Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the strong uptrend. This rejection is the proof. Okay, so you see this rejection. So we touched down this EMA in last few days, but today we are rejecting it. So this is forming like a hammer. Okay, so by the end of Friday, we'll have to keep an eye on weekly time frame. So if this finishes like this bullish hammer, then the next week for USDCAD is going to be boom, boom, okay? EMA is turning up. We are in the strong uptrend in USDCAD. This is your bullish hammer forming. Coming back to daily chart, we are here. So this is your candle entry. If you want early entry, you can enter after today's close, okay? So if you want to enter early, then you can enter here. That's your buy position in daily chart. Otherwise, you can wait for this red candle to engulf by blue candle completely. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday. Okay, I'm recording the video today, and we still have another maybe 5 hours before market closes today. Okay, so anyways, point being is this is your new high. Pullback has happened. Rejection has come. This is your bearish hammer. You don't get any more proofs or another cleaner setup than this. Okay, rejection from the EMA, engulfing blue candle. What are you waiting for? Coming back to 4 hour, you see if you entered here, you made some profits. But if you want precise sniper entry, wait for the pullback and then you go long. Okay. But if you trade only daily charts, this candle is your entry. Look for longs in USDCAD. That's it. If you want precision, then wait for pullback in 4 hour. Otherwise, if you trade daily charts, enter after this kind of close, and that's it. Too much for free. Okay. And I think hey, these videos I'm making, whether you go and watch my GP Euro, all are sexy setups, and they are giving you clean and very easy money. Okay, and thank me later. Subscribe, like, share, and get the software if you want. Join free Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.